3D Product Architect enables you to explore, compose, and prepare products created with single or multiple CAD-based design environments. This is done through a common environment that collaborates seamlessly with all other stakeholders involved in the product development process. Browse the complete product structure and locate specific subsystems visually using 3D Composer or from within the textual view of the product structure editor. Cross-highlighting exposes the selected components in both applications, providing intuitive navigation through multi-level design structures to quickly locate and explore your specific areas of interest. Dig deeper into the aspects of the design with tools that let you explore the different relationships between the products and access further information about them, as well as other related content. Move quickly through a structure based on these relationships independent of the product structure itself. The 3D Product Architect role also includes applications that expose model-based design information, such as tolerance and annotation on the 3D model. Intelligent relationships between geometric aspects of the design and a particular tolerance or annotation are highlighted in 3D to improve your understanding of the data. Find an issue in the design? Simply access markup tools in the middle of your work without leaving your current design environment. Capture any pertinent information to collaborate with peers and then return to where you left off. For more complex assemblies, you can take advantage of a broad array of volumetric search capabilities to isolate an area of a large product structure for detailed study and design. Save your search criteria for reuse at any time and share it with your colleagues. For a new design, start from scratch or copy all or part of an existing product to mock up an idea and mature it into a new product. Compose designs without the aid of CAD to develop new ideas quickly. Drag and drop parts and assemblies from any CAD source into a session and position them in any orientation. Do you work with configured designs? In a world of increasing demand for tailored products, the 3D Product Architect role can improve your ability to develop modular designs based on established variants and options. Start with any configured product as the source for a new variant, or derive a specific configured-to-order product. The 3D Product Architect role is also useful for engineers and designers beyond the creation of the architecture of the product itself. Prepare design modifications with new revisions or branches to revise part of the product or do a design study. Launch any part of the product structure into the relevant CAD authoring solution to work in that area of the design.